Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It's Friday morning. We've got a shoulder workout this morning. Shoulder workout consists of, and it's in the endurance phase. So the endurance phase, we're all 3 sets of 15, trying to build some muscle endurance for our next phase, I think, which is hypertrophy. And so the workout we have for shoulders is Arnold Press, Triceps Extensions, sandbag around the worlds. Well, I call it sandbag, but the around the worlds because they don't have dumbbell around the worlds. Dumbbell lateral raises and dumbbell front raises. So tricep extensions are really the only thing not shoulder, but you can lean in the shoulder, but I will be using the triceps for that. So the tricep extensions, I've got the cable machine set up for them. We've got the old bench or the upright bench set up for the Arnold press. So like I say, 3 sets of 15 in the endurance phase. We'll see what we can do with the shoulders. I'll be easy on them still. They're feeling pretty good, but I'm gonna be easy on my shoulders. And we are out here meeting age with grace with some longevity training. So we are gonna hit it hard, and then we're gonna head out on a walk. And that's the obligatory walk that I always do every day. It burns a few extra calories, keeps the heart rate up after the workout, and just keeps me try to lose that little bit of leftover stuff I got on around my waist side. So don't know if that's ever gonna happen at age 55, but we're gonna keep on working toward it. Sometimes I look and feel like it's getting a little smaller, and sometimes, you know, it's just all that visceral fat that's left when I was pretty overweight. You know, I wear 50 plus size pants and 400 and something pounds. I'll put a picture if you guys wanna see. So anyway, it's been 3 years now, almost 3 years, or 2.5 years since I started all this effort and basically learned how to eat. I've worked out all my life off and on, but last 2.5 years I've nailed in on how I eat, and I'm not suffering, not dieting. I mean, I just feeling pretty good on my eating habits. So anyway, here we go. We're gonna hit this shoulder workout, set it up, and get on down the road on the walk, and then we'll chat when we get back. Let's hit it, folks. We got Friday done. Friday's in the books. She is on the road. So we're gonna get on the road for Friday, get on in, do the work day, and get on to the weekend. How was the workout? Shoulders felt pretty good. I don't know how many times I have to say that my shoulders are getting better, and I don't know how much better they can get, but I think now the battle is getting the strength back. So with them having been in pain for 2 years, or a little more than 2 years, you know, you can't lift as heavy as you did whenever they didn't feel bad, you know, almost on everything, even squats, you know, getting back in that stance, getting your arms on the bar and hands back. Oh my goodness, it was a chore to get in position, get the bar down on the back like you're supposed to when you do back squats. I was having a hard time with that, but now feeling much better. So now it's a matter of working on the strength, and I felt that today. Felt the strength kind of coming back. So I'm anxious, you know, weightlifting. Of course, my goal, like I say, is meeting age with grace with all the longevity training that we're doing here. But, you know, when you lift weights, you want to get stronger. So that's the ultimate goal, is to get stronger. Now, I'm not looking to get a heavy 1 rep max, but, you know, if my last strength phase is 5 sets of 5, I want to do more weight at 5 sets of 5 this time around, this cycle, than I did last cycle. That's kind of how it works. You know, you have those kind of goals. So mine are pretty simple. I'm 55 years old, and my days of benching 400 pounds they're in the past. They gone. So I ain't doing that no more. We're working where we are. We're working with what we've got. So anyway, no, I never benched 400 pounds, but my days of trying to reach 400 pounds, I benched in the 300s. So my days of trying to reach 400 are gone. You know, if I can bench 275 today, I'd be happy. But with my shoulders having been sore, I don't know if I could bench 275 today. I'd have to work into it, you know, and I'm not doing the kind of workouts for 1 rep max anymore. So anyway, enough chatter about that. My shoulders feel better. I can feel like the strength is growing up. I'm looking forward to, you know, the next few cycles to see where they go, see what kind of strength I gain back in my shoulders. So it's kind of nice, kind of feels good. It's a little bit more motivation there to try to get my shoulders back in shape. So it'll be good. It'll be a good thing. So like I said, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching it. You know, we're out here on a quest to meet age with grace, and with the longevity training that we're doing here, and, you know, hitting weights, going for walks, doing, you know, active rest routines, cardio, stretches, those kind of things. All the things to keep your body able and moving for, you know, as you get older. So gonna try to keep her going. I don't want to get where I'm sitting down all the time. I want to be able to move. I want to be able to move, folks, when I get older, keep up with my grandkids and my great-grandkids, hopefully. So anyway, we're going to let you guys go. You guys have a great weekend. I'll be out tomorrow for some sort of, probably the ab burner. I haven't hit the ab burner. I missed it last week because we went to Louisiana on Friday. So I'll be out tomorrow for that. And if I don't see y'all then, I'll see you guys on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. Be careful, be safe. Take care.